welcome to your guide on how to log into your Exhibitor Zone. When you first log into the Exhibitor Zone, you'll be on the home page. This is where we will write any key dates and deadlines coming up, as well as any other information you need to know. This is also where you can access your exhibitor manual. For more information on your exhibitor manual, please keep an eye out for our other help videos. There is a taskbar on the left-hand side. After going through your homepage and the exhibitor manual, you can then click on My Profile. In this section, you can upload your logo, company description, any tags and keywords that are relevant to your brand, and all of your social media links. Please ensure all of your website links are in a URL format. When you have finished your profile, please be sure to click Submit at the bottom of the screen so it saves onto our website and so you won't have to do it again. You can also go back into this section and update it at any time before the event. Next section is the marketing assets. This is where all our Bett and Ahead assets are, and you can follow the instructions at the top of the page and save and use any of those that you wish to use. The last section is our Update Your Details section. This is where you can update your contact details if you would like someone else from your company to be the main marketing contact, or if you need to change your address or contact information details. Once you have pressed Submit, it will send an email to us to notify the team to change your details on our system, and our internal team will email you when this has been done. If you are a long-time exhibitor, this used to be the change of contact details form that was located in the exhibitor manual.